today? What are you wearing today? I'm wearing a shirt. Say, I'm wearing a shirt. Are you ready? Alright, so let's start. Next.
Đợi cô nhé. Được không? Đợi cô nhé. Anna đưa bạn đi vệ sinh nhé. Đi vòng sau cô.
Alright, let's practice that. Good. Yes. Add. Next. Good. Good. Next. Okay, what can you see? I can see. Sit up. I can see. Okay. Where's that? That. Where's that? Okay, correct. Okay, next. I can see. Where is the map? Map. Where is it? Map. Where is the map? Map. This one. Map. Okay, next. I can see a cup. Where's the cup? Cup. Where is it? Picture. Kitty, the picture. Picture of the cup. Where is it? Correct. Okay, next. I can see cup. Where's the cup? Cup. Picture of the cup. Here. Cup. Yes, here. Cup. Okay, good done. Okay, next. Sit down. Okay, next. Where are you